With my housemate, I guess I'm at 4 or 5 months, right?
I think
Somewhere.
6 months.
Wow.
It's been here for a
And we
while
haven't
now.
killed each other yet.
We haven't killed each other. Nope.
I don't think we even had one argument.
No.
We have, and basically, we got along super good. And just today we started a new project together. What is it, young lady?
So we are mass producing, guess you said, sprouts. So this half will be tomatoes.
Wow.
Other half we don't know yet.
Yeah.
But we're working on an indoor garden
Right.
that will be feasible for people of all sorts, from all places.
Right.
So
So right now, today we're doing 150,
doing-
about 300 seeds, right?
we're doing a lot.
About 300, 400.
Right now, it's probably about 300 seeds.
300 seeds,
We
right.
got cherry tomato and we have
Right,
red robin tomatoes.
right. And we also plan on having at least 20 trees.
We got 5 so far. We got 5.
We got 5, 6,
5, 6. There's
6,
one upstairs.
7.
We have a lot of trees now.
We're going to have some more trees,
Ton of trees.
ton of trees. And keep in mind, I have a big 45 raised bed garden.
So once it gets warm, it's more trees.
So this year was successful, right?
Very successful.
So you ate from my garden.
I did. I made, my favorite was the kale, cherry tomatoes, and
Yeah.
I wasn't a fan of cherry
Cucumbers.
tomatoes, cucumbers as well. I
Zucchini.
wasn't a fan of cherry tomatoes until I moved here.
Yeah,
So now I got a bunch of tomatoes, and we're going to grow them in here.
yeah. I need a grow light. But the
We're-
grow
we're-
light didn't work.
We're working on that, but they don't need them right now.
Yeah.
So
So stay tuned. We're going to show you how to grow your own food inside
grow
your
your
house.
own food inside your house.
Inside your house.
You know?
We got 300. We got maybe more than that. We're going to
We
have
have a lot.
300.
We have trees and lemon trees.
So we have
got
4 trees. So
tomatoes.
we're gonna have
we're
at
gonna
least
have,
1,200.
We're gonna have
1,200.
lettuce. We have fruits and
1200.
vegetables.
Yeah, fruits and vegetables.
Lots of fruits and
And
vegetables.
these, explain what's going on with my fig trees.
So your fig trees are a miracle right now.
Explain what's going on.
They started off when we brought them in.
We brought them in.
Brought them in.
We brought them in.
We brought them in from the cold. Like
They were dead.
they were dead. They
They were dead.
dead little twigs.
Dead twigs.
And then one day, plants started.
What happened is I used the sunlight and nothing happened.
Yeah, nothing
And
happened.
then about 2-3 weeks ago, I put
Banana water.
banana water.
Banana water.
What the heck
And
happened?
now, ta-da.
Unbelievable.
Ta-da.
And I have little carrots growing there. Look at this. This was dead.
Dead. Now
Dead.
Now they're growing in the middle of winter. In
Dead.
the middle of winter.
So we're going to add a few more. Boom, boom, boom. We're just looking for, like more like I'm going to have one here, one there, maybe one there. I'm going to
Everywhere.
have one over there, one over there.
Everywhere.
So what do you think, young lady?
No, that's awesome. One day I came in here, there was a jungle. So, no, it's
Okay.
awesome.
And you're going to have it in your room, too.
I'm starting a little garden in my room.
So you're pretty excited, right?
I am. Very excited. Come on, Star. Very
Not
super
bad
excited.
for someone who just met.
Right? So that's
I
half
met
a
her
year
on a-
ago.
I met her at Wawa.
At Wawa, I was on the side of Wawa with my bike and all my belongings, and here we are.
Here we are,
making
super
fruits
excited.
and vegetables.
Jackpot City. Look how
Jackpot
beautiful she
City.
is. Okay, bye.
Bye.